with you another journal that I've made, and this journal is made using ARTYMaze's new Collage collection. I will link that below. Very versatile kit. You can do so much with it. It doesn't have to just be for a journal. You can, because it's all collaged, you can make your own tags with it. You can do so much with it. It's a really lovely kit. So the front cover is cardstock, and it's been sewn onto some is it inked up? It's been inked up and stenciled, so it's nice and thick, and you can see it's quite chunky. I've used some scraps here to do some layering. The butterfly is from ARTYMaze, and that's a freebie on our website. This image here is ARTYMaze, and I think that might have been a freebie. I'm not sure if that's on our website or on her Facebook page. Just some little bits of scraps behind there as well, some bling on the butterfly, some crocheted trim on some of the pages. It measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, and I can't remember how many pages are in there. It's probably about 60 odd front and back, but this will be listed in my shop, so more details will be on there. So I've done some stenciling on the inside cover, front and back, and this is one of the papers. So obviously I've just printed it out and then just cut it to size, which was without it being folded, it was 8 1/2 by whatever length that is. So I've made some pockets with some of the papers, some of the pages as well. Just done some layering here with some hearts and butterflies and stamping on the background. Here we just have some ephemera. That's actually from Tsunami Rose, as is this. This is a freebie again from ARTYMaze, and I've just sewn that onto some coffee dyed paper. This is from one of the pages, and the butterflies come from something else. They come from, I'll show you when I get there, one of the freebie tags that she has. You get the butterflies with it, so I just like glued that on there. Done some stitching, some edge punching and stenciling, some paper from the old design shop, a tag where I just done some layering down here, just some lace trim, some scrap pieces of paper. It says Timeless Treasures, another butterfly. It's all been stitched, and that again is from one of the pages. A really nice backgrounds to make tags with as well, and journaling cards. Another page from the kit. Here I just done a flip out, but it's also a pocket, and I just used again one of the butterflies from the kit, and this is from the old design shop, and that just pops in there. And then we have a postcard from Tsunami Rose, and does this open? Sure it does. Yes, it does. So you've just got some additional journaling space, and that's been tea or coffee dyed. We have a paper bag, some vintage book page, the stenciling, and then there's markings from the coffee spray that I've started. Once I've coffee dyed, obviously when it's dry, I'm then spraying it and re-drying it, and it's given it a really nice look, plus it makes it sound even better if you like that kind of thing. Here we have a pocket. I've made the pocket from one of the tags, one of the pages, because you get, I think it's like 4 or 5 background pages as well. You get a green, a blue, a yellow, a red, so yeah, I think it's 4. We've got the crocheted flower here with then a paper flower on the top, some ephemera, and these were the tags that you get the butterflies with. So I've sewn that onto some tea or coffee dyed paper. Another freebie tag, and another little tag made from one of the pages. It's been sewn onto cardstock, and then I just glued another little butterfly, because you get the butterflies in 3 sizes, I think. Here I just made a like an envelope booklet from one of the pages, stenciled and stamped, and it's all shimmery. And then this has just got squared paper in there, and the closure is just a heart and a butterfly, and that just pops on there. Some crocheted trim, journaling pages, centre of signature, another tag that I made with, you know, doing some layering, collaging, whatever you want to call it. There's lace trim, butterfly, some scraps here in the background, some of ARTYMaze's papers from our other kits, some music paper there, the word journey. This was just in my stash. Can't speak. And I put that onto some book page, and there we had that tag. Actually nearly finished another journal today, but I'm going to sack it for the night and go in and watch some TV. That's just been coffee dyed and inked up. Again, that's one of the background papers from this collage kit. Some lace trim, some flowers. The flowers are from Tim Holtz die. It's one of the big dies. Is it bigs or big die? Some ephemera. Another freebie tag from ARTYMaze. And again, that's another freebie tag. And this was just a tag that I made from one of the pages from the kit. Little flip out, it's a book page, the other side of paper bag. Another one of these pockets, and I just, where the little lace is actually on the paper, I just put a little butterfly there. And here we have another postcard, which is from, and I know that opens out, another postcard from Tsunami Rose, just on some tea or coffee dyed paper. Another old vintage letter from the old design shop. It's just all shimmery from the coffee spray. And that pops in there. You have to kind of push that down a little bit when you're closing it. Oops. Another booklet. This one's got lined paper, some stenciling and stamping, heart and a butterfly. Oh, missed that completely. Another envelope. You could actually glue them closed so that they're actually a proper envelope, but it's nice to have that writing space. Heart and a butterfly, and then we have some ephemera, and another freebie tag from ARTYMaze. You get 3 of them in that freebie sheet, and I think on this one you might get 5 or 6. So you can find them on her website. And then another tag that I've made from one of the pages from the kit, and that is the back. Very lovely images. Love all the collaging that she's done on that. Really, really excellent. So that's the journal. Like I said, I will link ARTYMaze below. I think you all know who she is by now, and this will be linked. Oh, this will be listed for sale in my shop, and that will be linked below. I hope you've all had a good weekend, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.